Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Temperatures today warmed up quite a bit over the western counties, and that warmer air continues to advance eastward as we head into the daytime. Tomorrow, we're clearing out over the eastern counties as we speak. It'll take a few more hours to get rid of all that cloud cover, but much warmer weather still out ahead of us. All areas tomorrow should warm up a little bit more. Cooler, though, by Thursday. So tomorrow on into Wednesday, we'll hold on to the warmer temperatures. Then the cooler air settles back in, but most of the week should be dry. Maybe some scattered showers heading in more toward the weekend. Here's a look at satellite showing really that clearing that has taken place across the Flint Hills, that decreasing cloud cover starting to clear out a little bit more around Emporia, up around Holton as well. Still clouds over Shawnee County, but these are starting to break apart. You can see in Junction City, it's mostly sunny. High thin clouds are way to the south. Those will be over the southern horizon for a while. Starting to see a lot more sunshine, even fewer and fewer clouds at Manhattan, and a little bit of some breaks in the clouds starting to show up, some sunlight starting to make its way through at Emporia, and the clouds are at least breaking apart, not gone yet in Topeka, but they're starting to break up just a little bit, or at least the process of breaking up. It's 68 degrees right now, southerly winds at 10. The dew point, that measurement of humidity in the air, it's definitely more humid as the dew point's in the upper 50s, and because of that, temperatures just won't cool down all that much tonight. We started at 52. Made it up to 68, had a little drizzle at times this morning, kind of a real fine mist, more than even a steady drizzle. And then up to 68 for the high today. That's 4 degrees above average. Of course, the western counties quite a bit warmer. Nobody near that record, though. Back in the 1800s, 97 on this date. Almost hard to wrap your mind around being that hot so early. But temperatures across the western side of the state are into the mid-80s. 85 at Hayes, 84 for Liberal and Dodge City. Some of those 80s all the way up into our western counties. Concordia 82 at 77 at Clay Center, and a pair of 75s at Manhattan and Junction City right now, with southerly winds 10 to 20 over the eastern counties, 15 to 25 over the western counties, and that breeze hangs around tonight, at least at about 10 or 15 most of the night, maybe a little bit weaker toward morning. But watch what happens during the day tomorrow. Light wind through the day. We'll head into tomorrow night, early Wednesday. Light wind. Light wind through most of the morning hours on Wednesday, but here comes this front, and once it moves through, gusty northwest wind builds in, and that's when we cool down. Out ahead of it, 50s and 60s, and then 80s for much of the area tomorrow afternoon. I think we'll top out in the low 80s, and then we'll head into Wednesday. We'll start out in the low 50s, top out into the 70s to near 80, especially central and south, and then here comes that cool down. Starting to cool off late Wednesday, will cool off even more into Thursday morning. Mostly clear across the western side of the state, clearing out over the eastern side as we speak. Storm system well out to the west, a slow mover, allows a big warm up to take place out ahead of it in advance of its slow movement across the western half of the country. So we get rid of the cloud cover and maybe a little bit of clouds in the morning. We very quickly clear out and we enjoy sunny and warm weather tomorrow. Partly cloudy, 59 tonight. Then we're back up to a high of 82 tomorrow. We'll see more temperatures near 80 degrees on Wednesday, then falling in the afternoon. That may be about a noon or 1 o'clock high temperature on Wednesday. And then we cool all the way down to about 40 for Thursday morning. Some scattered clouds and 59. Try to warm up through Saturday back into the 60s, maybe a few showers on Sunday, and then chillier weather next Monday. Right now, let's just say a few showers. Some indications it could be a mix of rain or snow if it's early enough in the morning, but just another shot of some chilly air next week.
It's just the ongoing roller coaster.
Yeah. Welcome to April.
Yeah.